Imagine this: you've just driven your brand new car off the lot. The smell of fresh leather fills the air, the paint gleams under the sun, and the odometer shows barely a handful of miles. It feels like the start of a perfect journey. But what if I told you that most drivers unknowingly damage their new car within the very first week? Yes, not because of accidents or poor luck, but because of small mistakes that slowly eat away at the car's health, performance, and value. From flooring the gas pedal too early to skipping the first crucial oil change, these innocent habits can cost you thousands in repairs down the road. In this video, we'll uncover the 10 things you should never do in a brand new car. 1. Don't floor the accelerator. It's tempting, isn't it? That raw engine power begging to be unleashed. But here's the truth: when you floor a brand new car, you're not showing off its strength, you're shortening its life. Engines need a break-in period, usually the first 1,000 miles, to properly adjust. The pistons, rings, and cylinders are still finding their perfect rhythm. Pushing the car too hard too soon creates uneven wear, leading to oil consumption problems, loss of power, and even early engine failure. Think of it like running a marathon without training. Sure, your body might survive, but the strain will leave scars. Similarly, flooring the gas pedal in a new car can damage components before they've settled into place. Instead, drive moderately, vary your speeds, and allow the engine to learn its normal operation. The payoff? Smoother performance and a much longer lifespan. So next time you feel the urge to floor it, remember, you're racing against your car's future, not just the road. 2. Never ignore the owner's manual. Here's a shocking fact: most people never even open the owner's manual of their new car. Yet, inside lies a goldmine of information tailored specifically to that vehicle. The manual tells you the ideal break-in practices, when to change fluids, which fuel to use, and how to properly maintain advanced features. Ignoring it is like throwing away the instruction guide for your most expensive gadget. For example, some cars warn against towing in the first 1,000 miles, others suggest keeping RPMs below a certain level, and a few even have special oil change intervals right after purchase. Skipping these details might not show immediate damage, but down the line, you'll be paying the price with reduced efficiency, more repairs, and faster depreciation. Think of the owner's manual as your car's personal diary. 3. Don't skip the first oil change. Many drivers believe modern engines are so advanced that oil changes aren't urgent. Wrong. In fact, the first oil change is the most important one your car will ever have. Why? Because during the break-in period, tiny metal shavings from the engine's moving parts mix with the oil. These shavings are a natural part of the settling process, but if left inside too long, they scratch components and accelerate wear. Manufacturers often recommend the first oil change much sooner than later ones, sometimes at just 1,000 to 3,000 miles. Skipping this step might not show immediate consequences, but over time, the engine may lose efficiency, burn more fuel, or suffer from early breakdowns. Think of oil as your car's blood. Would you want contaminated blood running through your body? Of course not. So don't make your new car survive on dirty oil. Respect the first oil change, it's the secret to keeping your engine healthy for years. 4. Don't overload the car. Your new car might feel like it can handle anything, but loading it with excess weight too soon is a mistake. Whether it's cramming luggage for a road trip, piling in too many passengers, or strapping heavy equipment to the roof, overloading strains a car that hasn't fully adapted yet. The suspension, brakes, and tires are all in their breaking-in phase. Push them too hard, and they'll wear prematurely. Think of it like carrying a heavy backpack on your first day of exercise after years of rest. Similarly, a brand new car's shocks and springs need time to settle into place. Overloading too soon means they may never operate at their best. 5. Avoid using cruise control. Cruise control is a blessing on highways, but not for a brand new car. During the break-in period, Your car needs varied speeds and RPMs to let engine parts wear evenly. Locking into a steady pace denies the engine this variation. It's like exercising only one muscle while ignoring the rest. You'll end up unbalanced and weaker overall. Driving at a constant speed too soon can cause issues with piston rings and cylinder walls. Cruise control removes that natural variation, potentially leading to reduced compression and power in the future. Instead, practice driving at different speeds, gently accelerating and decelerating. Don't go wild, but allow your engine to experience its range. Once the break-in period is complete, cruise control becomes your best friend. But in the first 1,000 miles, it's your car's silent enemy. 6. Don't slam the brakes. There's a thrill in testing a car's brakes, but slamming them in the early days is risky. Brakes, like engines, need a break-in period. The pads and rotors must wear into each other's surfaces smoothly. Sudden hard stops cause uneven wear, creating hot spots that reduce braking efficiency. This means your car might never achieve the full stopping power it was designed for. It's like braking in a pair of shoes. Wear them gently at first, and they mold perfectly. Abuse them too soon, and you'll deal with blisters forever. The same goes for brakes. Treat them kindly, and they'll protect you when you need them most. 7. Never ignore tire care. Tires are your car's only contact with the road, yet they're often overlooked. Brand new cars usually come with tires that need their first few hundred miles to properly seat and adjust. Ignoring tire care during this period is like walking barefoot on rough terrain, possible, but painful. Check the tire pressure regularly, as it often fluctuates in the first weeks. Underinflated tires cause poor fuel economy and uneven wear, while overinflated ones reduce grip and comfort. Also, avoid aggressive cornering or hard launches. New tires have a protective release agent from manufacturing that takes time to wear off. Until it's gone, grip is reduced, making the car more prone to sliding. Think of your tires as shoes. Would you run a marathon in brand new sneakers without breaking them in first? Probably not. Give your tires time to settle, and they'll reward you with safety, performance, and longevity. Don't take them for granted, because when push comes to shove, they're the only thing keeping you on the road. 8. Don't skip the warm-up. You've just started your car, and you're eager to drive off. But in a brand new car, skipping the warm-up is a mistake. Oil needs time to circulate through the engine, ensuring every moving part is properly lubricated. If you rev up or accelerate hard before the oil is fully distributed, you risk friction and wear in critical areas. Your car's engine feels the same way. 9. Don't use the wrong fuel. It sounds simple, but you'd be shocked how many drivers make this mistake. A brand new car deserves the exact fuel grade recommended by the manufacturer. Some believe higher octane fuel will give extra performance, but in many engines, it's wasted money. Worse, using lower octane than required can cause knocking, damaging pistons and valves over time. Your engine is finely tuned to run on a specific fuel type. They might still perform, but never at their best. 10. Don't modify too soon. We get it, you want your car to look and sound unique. But bolting on aftermarket exhausts, bigger wheels, or tuning chips right after purchase is risky. Why? Because modifications often alter the stress on components before the car has completed its break-in phase. It's like remodeling a house before the foundation has fully set. Performance mods, especially, can push the engine harder when it hasn't yet adjusted to standard operation. Even cosmetic mods like oversized rims can throw off suspension and handling balance. Protect your investment. So there you have it, 10 things you should never do in a brand new car. From flooring the gas to skipping that first vital oil change, every mistake can cost you dearly. But the good news? Avoiding them ensures your car delivers maximum performance, reliability, and value for years to come. Now, ask yourself, are you treating your car like a disposable toy, or like the long-term partner it's meant to be? If this video helped you rethink your habits, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car secrets, and share this with a friend who just got a new ride. Because knowledge isn't just power, it's protection. Drive smart. Drive safe. And above all, drive with patience.